everyone, Stephanie Airman here with Central Park Scoop, and we are here at Santi, a healing collective, over by the Eastbridge neighborhood and Stanley Marketplace on 25th and Galena across from Judy's house. We are here with owner Ronnie Van de Sande, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about the services that they provide. I had the pleasure of having a blissful, soulful journey pedicure the other day, which I highly recommend, but I'll let Ronnie tell you a little bit about her services.
Oh, thank you, Stephanie, for coming, and I'm so glad you got to come and experience the Soulful Journey pedicure. So I'm Ronnie Van de Sande. I have been in the neighborhood for about 17 years doing waxing and facial services. I have been so lucky to be part of this community, and I've been at many shops that a lot of people have known, and then luckily 2 years ago I was able to come and open up my own space. And then a year ago I was like, why don't I expand a little bit more? And here we are. We have, it went from Ronnie Van D Skin to Santi, a healing collective. And this space was actually inspired by the community. I had heard so many clients telling me how much they just needed a little space to come and breathe and have a couple of minutes and after their services. And when this spot came up, I was like, this is it. This is it. I want them to have a cup of tea and just sit and just breathe before they have to get back to kids and work and everything else. So that's honestly how it started.
Amazing. And to be honest with you, it was just, that's exactly how I felt when I was here. I had the cup of tea. I've kind of drank the Kool-Aid. I'm a firm believer in what you're doing. Do you want to tell us a little bit more about which services you offer?
We do, yeah, I would love to. So we do facials and waxing. With our facials, we do a Santi signature facial, and we kind of, how I structured it, because I've been in the industry for so long, is where we don't have add-ons. So when you get our facial, you get everything, and we customize it just for you. Because we didn't, when I've written so many different protocols for so many different facials, and I know people just go and they're like, which one do I pick? You know, and so I was like, I'm going to take that out, let the professionals decide what we're going to do with your skin, and then you just come and relax and let us take care of you. We also brought in massage, so we have a wonderful service provider who does our very relaxing massage and cupping with his massage as well. And then one of the things that is very exciting for us is we brought in nails. And not only just nails, but we try to take nails to that degree of elevation, you know, complete relaxation. So the Soulful Journey pedicure that you got is all on heated massage beds with a heated blanket, as you remember, a heated eye mask, and it's an hour long, and it has all the bells and whistles in it.
It truly does.
Everything that you think, oh, should I add that? Should I add that into a pedicure? No, we incorporated it all. We're also using Dazzle Dry, which is a popular polish that is getting some notice because it dries in 5 minutes and lasts for like 10 to 14 days. We also do gel and dip as well on hands.
I really do love the Dazzle Dry. It's all vegan and natural.
Yes.
And they've taken out a lot of those harmful chemicals too.
Yeah.
Which is really cool. If you would like to schedule anything with Ronnie, we will have her information for you down below. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.